Hello and welcome back to our chess and endgame course. Today we will have a look at the exercises presented at the end of video 02.001. First, let's briefly recap what we have learned in the last video. We found out that a king's race will be won by the king who can make the distance to his target square shorter than the distance of the opponent to his target square is before the opponent moves. So let's say both kings have got 5 fields to go, and the one whose turn it is can make the distance to 4. So his remaining distance is shorter than the remaining distance of his opponent, and so he will win. So now let's see if we can use this rule to directly identify the winner of our 3 exercises of a king's race. So let us switch over to the chessboard. In the first exercise it is black to move, and we can see black has got 3 steps, 3 fields to go, and white king has 3 fields to go, so black will win. One move, second move, and third move. Yes, black has won. Our rule has worked. Let's see the second example. Okay, in this case, white is to move. White has got 4 squares, black has got 4 squares to go, so white will win, won't he? We will see. First move, second move, third move, and here we already can see, yes, our rule has worked again. White has reached his target square earlier than the black can. I know that was simple. Let's see the last exercise, in which it is again white's move, and white has got 4 moves to go, 4 fields to go, and black has got 3. So, white can equalize. So white maybe will not win, so black will win. Let's see. First move, second move, third move. Oh, black cannot move. So black cannot reach the target square, and also white cannot reach the target square. Let's see how we can explore this so-called opposition in the next episodes. This was our first step into the endgame and into exploring mathematical rules we can just catch by a look at the chessboard. I hope the topic is interesting for you and you hang on watching this video. So thanks for subscribing to my channel in advance. Take care, see you soon, and bye bye.